I enjoyed my time here. I learned a lot. So now when I'm in cell culture meetings and purification meetings, it's kind of like, I've got it covered on both ends. So it made me just a better employee overall.
The experience has been really good. I didn't know much about a lot of the techniques that have been taught here. So to learn the theory and have a hands-on experience, that has been really great.
I do process development work daily, so having the Dev 2 course under my belt really helps me bring in knowledge I normally wouldn't have had.
To me personally, the lab portion was the most interesting, mainly because we had never seen a predictor plate before, and we were able to see how that works and all the components that go into making a predictor plate work.
I really enjoy the hands-on training. I think the course is very well designed, 60% lab and 40% training, and it's increasing my knowledge in chromatography a little bit more in different areas.
I'm more confident of what's the system doing at each step. It helps me now even more that I'm able to write my own methods, and I think it's just this is what I need to know.
If there's any new recruits who are coming into the field, this is a good course for them to learn more about the ACTA system, and also for existing people who are probably moving more into the process development area. I feel for both these kind of backgrounds, I would recommend this course. Absolutely.